Imagine spending 2.5 hours each day finding your purpose and changing your life through career training with students from all over the East Valley who share your same interests. At EVIT, you'll learn from instructors with real-world experience in the careers you're passionate about. You'll gain advanced skills, hands-on experience, and industry-recognized certifications that prepare you for the workforce or continued education. You won't just learn about the job, you'll do the job. High school students earn credits that count toward graduation, with the option to enroll in dual enrollment courses that count toward a future college degree. For students interested in public safety, the new Fire Science Academy at Coronado High School, in partnership with Scottsdale Fire Department, offers live fire training, tower drills, and certifications to prepare you for careers in firefighting and emergency services. Our STEM Academy connects you with industry partners like Boeing, Honeywell, and Intel to prepare you for the high-tech jobs of tomorrow. We are also expanding our higher education programs to meet Arizona's workforce demands. Associate degrees, apprenticeships, and certificate programs, all at our main campus with smaller classes, affordable tuition, and an accelerated path to your future. Adults can also enroll in high school equivalency or GED prep and adult basic education programs, creating new opportunities for career advancement. Whatever your next steps are, the knowledge and experience gained at EVIT will set you far ahead of your competition. We are proud to offer a range of education pathways to your future, your way.
EVIT has changed my life because it set me on a better path. I went from being an almost high school dropout to now going to college.
Before I came into EVIT, I really didn't have a plan. And then I found this and I've made so many connections and I've met so many people like Jasmine. She's like my best friend.
I've improved as a person, I've met friends, I've got to do things I love, and now I'm set up for a career.
EVIT's really preparing me for my future because I'm a junior in high school and I'm able to get all this education very early on to just learn how to help others at such a young age.
EVIT has changed my life by allowing me to be a part of this program. I never thought that I would be going to college, let alone getting an associate's degree and becoming a certified surgical tech and having such a serious career, and that's very rewarding.
I love it here. I wouldn't change anything. Best decision I've ever made. 100%.
Every single day I get to be creative. Every single day I get to do something fun, and every day I get to learn something new. And it's just the best.
Your future, your way.
Your future,
Your way.
Your future, your way.
your future, your way.
Your future, your way at EVIT.